Hey folks, I'm Conrad Bitangcol with RE/MAX Professionals, and this is another episode of The Real Estate Experience. And today I'm coming at you from the Southwest neighborhood of Paisley. And wow, do I have a pretty amazing half duplex that's just about to hit to market. So you're gonna wanna stick around. So let's just jump right into it. What I got for you guys today is a 2-story half duplex with over 1,500 square foot of living space. Now this model was built by Brookfield, and it's probably the most popular floor plan that they sell. It's called the Cadenza, and personally, if I was in the market for a half duplex, this is the floor plan that I would be considering. Now this home offers just over 1,500 square feet of living space. You're gonna get 3 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms. And since this floor plan offers just a little bit more square footage than your average duplex, you're also gonna get a bonus room and an upstairs laundry, which is just gonna be awesome. And if you're looking in this area and you're looking at maybe something brand new, the original owner is immaculate and kept this place in extremely awesome condition. It has all the upgrades that you're looking for, like the hardwood flooring, the quartz countertops. There's a pretty stunning linear gas fireplace. As well, all the landscaping is done. There's a spot for a fire pit as well as a deck. And if you need the space, there's a unfinished basement which offers large windows, and it makes you feel like you're on the main floor. And also, did I mention that this place is better than you? This neighborhood is also pretty convenient. It's family friendly. There's lots of trails. You've got a dog park that's just a hop, skip, and a jump away. As well, lots of shopping options within 5 minutes. There's south of here, you got new upcoming commercial developments at Chappelle. There's already stores and restaurants there. As well, you got Windermere that's close by, and Rutherford, as well as the South Common. And not to mention the Edmonton International Airport and the new Premium Outlet Mall. And being within 20 minutes of downtown and West Edmonton makes Paisley a very convenient location to get in and around the city. Okay, so that wraps up this video tour of 4414 Prowse Road. I'd like to thank you for your time. If you're feeling up to it, feel free to comment, like, and share. Let me know what you thought about this home. Again, my name is Conrad Bitangcol, and I'm with RE/MAX Professionals. Till next time, peace. Did I forget to say that this home has central air conditioning? It has a central air conditioning. And also, did I mention that this home is better than new? Oh yeah, it's better than new.